Here is a troubleshooting checklist, which may help with thinking through all the possibilities in a more effective way. It starts with basic issues that shouldn't take long to check and progresses to more complex and time-consuming investigations. We can use ping or port query to verify host accessibility and port configuration. We should verify all the parties involved are domain members and whether we need a key tab file. In case when target services are co-hosted, we may need to check whether NTLM is being used. We should verify that Windows Time Service is running and use W32TM tool to check time synchronization and fix it if necessary. We can use Microsoft Network Monitor tool to check if packets are larger than 48,000 bytes for Windows 8 or Windows 2012 Server and later versions. We need to make sure the authentication is configured in a consistent manner at all levels, including websites and applications. We should verify the clients are configured for Kerberos authentication, for example, by checking the website and intranet zone configuration. When we create a new app pool in IIS or change credentials in the existing one, we need to reset IIS to flash the local cache. We can use ping and set SPN to verify the service was Kerberized. We can use set SPN to search for the SPN, but make sure to type the complete SPN and don't use wildcards. We should verify the SPN was registered under the correct account. We can use Microsoft Network Monitor to verify the correct SPN is listed in the Service Ticket Request service name field. We should verify the client is authorized to access the resource. We need to check the client's cache and verify that valid tickets were obtained. We should search the mid-tier service security log and look for client logon events to confirm that Kerberos is used. We should check whether the client has high privileges and whether it's supposed to be involved in delegation. We need to verify whether the service account is allowed to delegate for specific resources. We should also check whether impersonation is required and configured. And we should make sure that the correct service account was used to run the service. We need to make sure that the delegation is configured as required, that the correct services are listed as resources, and that we can have end-to-end Kerberos authentication. We should verify that all the application tiers are in the same domain, and whether the request needs to cross domain trusts. We should verify that the required flags are set in the requests and tickets. We need to verify that the service is running a supported configuration. We should check whether NTLM is used and whether reconfiguring the loopback check feature solves the problem. We need to make sure that integrated services are referencing correct service identities in the service calls. We should verify that impersonation is supported and that it's being invoked when required. We should also make sure that if they are co-hosted services, they are not causing the problem which affects the service experiencing an outage.